channel. My name is James Mwanekimani, a technical consultant in civil engineering, also a content creator. Yes, some people we are still in the field. We are working on the process of installing vertical steel reinforcement for the columns and also for the lift shaft. Let me show you how the for the installation of the columns is done. Now when I show you, this is a column, that is a column. Look how the stirrups are fitted in space of 200 from one stirrup to another. This we call this rebars or stirrups. Now when we look about the spacing, the span between one column to another, for this structure, of course, this structure is, we are working on the skeleton, that is the vertical and horizontal framework element. For the columns, that is a vertical framework element, that is columns and the lift shaft. For the horizontal framework element, we are only targeting for the beams, that is for the suspended slab and the beams here. Then also for the vertical reinforced elements, we have, for the case of staircase, that is also a vertical framework element. Now when we are in the process of installing rebar for the columns, that is also known as rebar cage assembly for the columns. Now as the structure goes up, in every detail column the bars goes missing. For this case, this column here, from the start, it had how many bars? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That is, it had 14 bars. And now as the structure goes higher, as you can see, the bars are reducing. For this case, this column, the steel fixers omit 4 bars. Look here, they omitted, that is 4 bars, and it goes up to the next, this is the 3rd floor. As we go to the 4th floor, they will also omit, the steel fixers will also going to reduce another bars for the columns as the structure goes up. Why steel fixers? Not about steel fixers. What is the reason why we omit the bars? As the structure goes up, a basic reason is that the weight of the structure going reducing. Yes, the amount of weight is on target on the ground for the case of the first floor and the second floor. It bears a lot of weight. And for the case of as we go from the second floor, third floor, up to even 100 floor, the weight goes reducing. That is what is going on in the field, and I urge my subscribers continue to watch my videos, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and we'll be in touch. My name is James Kimani. I say thank you so much.